Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your mailbox runs in cached exchange mode, because that creates a local OSD copy and enables folder syncing. Once done, sign in with the same credentials, enable cached exchange mode under File Right Arrow Account Settings Right Arrow Change, check the box, and restart Outlook. This creates the local cache and begins fetching folders. Make sure the account is Exchange or Microsoft 365. IMAP has different behaviors. Enabling cache speeds up searches and lets you work offline, while synchronization. Next, you control which folders actually synchronize. Go to Send/Receive, right arrow, define Send/Receive groups, select the group and edit. Choose your account, then click Folder Options and pick the specific folders you want downloaded. This matters if you have many folders and want selective sync. Make sure to set whether you download full items including attachments or only headers to save bandwidth. Once configured, run Send/Receive all folders, so Outlook applies the settings and populates the local cache for those folders. Finally, verify that synchronization completed and fix any errors. Look at the status bar for Connected and open the Sync Issues folder to inspect problems. You can force a folder refresh by right-clicking the folder, Properties, right arrow, Synchronization, right arrow, and choosing to download items now. If syncing still fails, close Outlook and rename the OSD file to force a full rebuild on next start. This clears corruption and re-downloads everything. Make sure you have a stable network. Intermittent connections often cause partial syncs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.